Lisa likes pink stuff.
Hmm?
She likes pink stuff.
Shut up. I think it just went to Eno. Eno or...
Who's going to Eno? Or Sakura?
Yeah. And this one. That one's for Sakura.
Your face is annoying. Sakura's face
Actually,
is
it's more for
annoying.
the forehead.
You're taking a video. Yeah, you're taking a video.
Yeah.
Hello, Udara.
Hey, I'm not wearing my sunglasses at the moment.
So what are your comments between the accusations
Of what?
of relationship matters?
Nani? What? Okay, what's the topic?
Well, there were rumors going around about you and Ichigo.
What? What? What?
Yeah,
No.
all over the internet.
No. It's fangirls.
So you're denying everything?
Yes.
There
Because-
was.
Well, I was thinking, what can there be that could be on the internet? And I just realized, oh wait, it's the internet. Everything could be on there. So, yes.
Is it?
Because, yeah.
Okay.